How to change name on Robinhood account. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change your name on a Robinhood account. Let's get right into it. First, make sure you have downloaded Robinhood app on your phone. If you are iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and if you are Android user, you can download it from Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open Robinhood app. And make sure to log into your account. After you log into your account, you can see your account icon on the bottom right corner. Click on it. Now click on this 3 line on the top left corner, and here click on settings. After that, tap on personal information. Unlike your address, you can't change your name directly in the app. You will need to contact Robinhood support and submit a request. So simply go back, and here you can see this Robinhood support option. Click on it and click on Help Center to explain your issue. Let them know you want to change your name and be ready to upload legal documents like driver license or court order. After that, Robinhood will review your documents and update your name after verification. It might take a few business days. And that's it. This is how you can change your name on Robinhood account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.